Hello everyone, Justice Watchag here with a new episode. Sorry I've been missing in action. I have started the next chapter in my life and I'm attending law school, but I haven't lost interest in the Adelson murder for hire trials. And today, actually I'm a day late, yesterday, September 4th, 2025, Donna Sue Adelson, was found guilty by a jury of murder in the first degree and solicitation to commit murder in the murder of Professor Danial Markel, a criminal law professor at Florida State University in Tallahassee, Florida. Absolutely outrageous. And now we are waiting for Wendi Adelson to be arrested. I predict she will be arrested in the next 72 hours, no more than 2 weeks. Between 72 hours to 2 weeks, she will be arrested because I think she may try to flee like her mother did to Mexico. She lives in Texas from what I have heard and deduced from the internet. I don't know these people, but I am looking on the internet, listening to podcasts and listening to YouTube videos and watching what's going on, and it sounds like she lives in Texas. And as you can see, Mexico is near Texas, and she may try to flee rather than face the rest of her life in a Florida prison, which is where she's headed, for killing Dan Markel. Absolutely outrageous. This is the reason that he got killed, because of his ex. Because he wanted to be a father to his sons, and his ex said, no, you're dead. And her family made it happen. These are not even tears coming out. She screaming, hollering, and they had to excuse the jury, and the Judge Everett had to give a talking to Donna and her defense team. They did a horrible job, mind you. She really was probably genuinely upset about being in prison for the rest of her life, but not upset about what she had done. No remorse shown and no real tears. Just theatrics. Absolutely incredible. Incredibly ridiculous. The families can begin the process of healing. Hopefully the grandsons will get to know their grandparents. And as far as all the other children that are involved, which we all kind of don't talk about too much. Catherine Magbanua had kids. Luis Rivera has kids. And Charlie Adelson, who's going to spend the rest of his life in prison, has a son. And all these kids are growing up without a parent for something ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous to kill that man in a divorce. The sons are going to be grown soon. They're probably within a year or two of being adults. This happened 11 years ago in 2014. Justice for Dan Markel. It's done. The verdict is here. And I wanted to make a video because this verdict came out. I'm going to make more videos. I'm not going to stay missing. But we're going to wait for justice. And I predict, you heard it here first, a prediction that Wendi Jill Adelson will be arrested in the next 72 hours to 2 weeks. Let's see if I'm right. Have a good day, everybody, and thanks for listening.